that your site is set up, I'm going to show you a couple of simple things you can do to start driving a little traffic to your site so that you can start making money. The more visitors you get, the more people that will be exposed to your AdSense advertisements, and potentially these people will go ahead and click through to your website. So I'm going to take you over to a site called Digg.com. Some of you may have already heard of it. It's Digg.com. It's Digg.com. Digg.com shows you some of the hottest stories out there. And what's great with you doing Google Hot Trends is that these are hot topics that people have found very, very interesting. Now, there's a lot of interesting stories on Digg.com. But you can go ahead here and just create an account. So you would just click on Join Digg, and right here you just plug in basic information. You can select a username, put your email in, your password, first and last name, gender, birthday, and then go ahead and click on Continue, and then it's going to send you a confirmation email. Go ahead and respond to that. But then once you have your account set up, this is the important part, you're going to want to go ahead and just log into your account. So let's go over here to back to the home page, and then click on Login, and then we're just going to log into our Digg account. And once you log in, you're going to see a screen like this on Digg.com, and you're going to just go ahead and click on Submit New, and then where it says Enter URL, you're going to just go up and copy the URL. So in the address bar, I'm just right clicking and copying it, and then pasting it directly into where it says Enter URL. And in this case, most of the time that's going to be a news article. So go ahead and click on Continue. And you can go over here and just click on Title. And you're just going to type in your main keyword there. Now the main keyword of our post is 2009 Rose Bowl tickets. And the description, you would just plug in, learn more about 2009 Rose Bowl tickets. You could just do that. Something very fast, 1 or 2 sentences will do just fine. And then scroll down, and this particular topic is related to football. And we're going to go ahead and just put in the Are You Human information so that they know we are human and not a computer bot. So just put in that information and then click on Submit Story. And it's going to cycle through there and look for duplicates. Now, since you've created yours, it's not going to be a duplicate of somebody else's. So just go ahead and scroll all the way down here and click on Totally Original, I swear. And once you've done that, your site has now been dug, so to speak. So, but what you're going to want to do, I actually made a mistake just now, and it's good that I did that because now I can educate you on the mistake that I made. What I should have done is actually been on my particular blog post, and I was not. I was actually on my home page. And so what happened is this link now goes to the home page of my blog. And so did a great job of making this very nice looking search engine friendly link here, and it says 2009 Rose Bowl tickets, but it links directly off to my Blogger blog, but it doesn't link directly to that particular post. So what you want to do is make sure that you are actually on your post when you submit that link. And so what I did, I was going fast as I was showing you, and I actually did it the wrong way. So you want to make sure that the link you put in is the link to the actual story. And to make sure of that, you're going to want to just click right here where it's hyperlinked on the subject line, right where it says the date that you published it, and just click on that. And then you're going to make sure that at the very top it says something like, .html at the end of your post. So for example, it would look something like that as I drag the recording up. And then that would be the code that you want to copy and paste in there, unlike the code that I did, which was just the actual home page for the blog. But that's just an example. I'm kind of frustrated because now I kind of hurt myself, but I'm glad that I can teach you that so that you don't make that mistake yourself. So the next thing is we're going to go to a site called feedag.com. So once you've done your Digg post, of the actual topic page, you're going to go to a site called feedagg.com. So it's www.feedagg.com. And what you're going to do on feedagg.com is look for something that says add feed on it. So where it says add feed up here, just go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to go back to our Blogger blog. Now this time you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and where it says subscribe to, it'll say Post Adam. No matter what theme you choose, it's going to say something like this, Post Adam. Go ahead and click on that. And it's only going to show up one item for now, but as you add more, it's going to update itself. So go ahead and click on that. This is what's called your RSS feed, which stands for Real Simple Syndication. But for now, just go ahead and highlight that, copy it, and then you're going to come right over here to Feedagg, and you're going to go ahead and add a feed URL in. So you're just going to copy and paste that in there. And then you're going to add special descriptive tags, and so you just put in your main keyword, Rose Bowl 2009 Rose Bowl tickets is my example, and then you just put in these numbers to verify that you're a human entering this information, and you go ahead and click on Save Feed, and then where it says Breaking News Blog, you just click on that, and it now will feed in the information from your blog. So this will help you get indexed in the search engines, and it's also another spot that people can find you. So as you add new posts, this page will update as well. So that is how you use two sites in particular, Digg.com and Feedagg.com. And so I'm going to take you to another video where I'm going to show you 3 additional methods for marketing that you can do with every single post that are simple to do, and they get you very good results. And so there will be 3 or 4 more methods that we're going to go over, and these are very basic methods that you can use to start getting traffic and getting some exposure to your site.